everyone, for today's video, let's draw and color the pirate. Come and join me. Let's begin by drawing the shape of his pirate hat. Next, his ears. His eyes. One of his eyes had an eye patch on. Then, his nose. I'm drawing his beard. The pirate's beard is curly. Next, his lip. And the shape of his body. His one eye had opened. Look! Let's draw lines on his shirt. And belt on his pants. Now, his one hand and a hook. Lastly, his boots. I'm delighted. Together, let's add color to pirate. He has a pirate hat. His beard is orange. He has a hook for a hand, a long-sleeved shirt with stripes of light blue and white, and an eye patch. He may be thought by some as a villain, but in fact, he is a friendly and cheerful pirate. How do you imagine of a pirate? Think of a treasure hunting, sea shanty singing, and island hopping adventurer ready for the grandest escapades. Pirates are the captains of imagination, turning the vast ocean into a playground of excitement, daring, and endless fun. Yo-ho-ho, let the pirate tales begin! Are you enjoying yourself? That is excellent! This pirate is ready for an adventure. And you as well? We are almost finished. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.